Okay, hold it. 8.3 and number 6. Hola. ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. The curve AB is 9 centimeter. BC is 18 centimeter. O is midpoint. The back is 9 centimeter. The back is 9 centimeter. Camera? Hey, hobby. That's why you see a rope. I shall kind of AO. Oh, AO shall address your Pythagoras theorem. Don't charm, mambo. AO square equal to AB square plus BO square.
BO square.
81. 81 naka 2 into 81 bo. Hobula. Can you have 162? AO logino square root of 162. Blood.
Square 1.7.
12.7 centimeter. Can I be the Can I be about me? No, angle AODO radian. Oh, angle AODO radian. So, how are you going to cool on Malado? Pi. Hold on. Hey, that's what the back down will shall I may so ye. I angle AOD very happy, but okay, the back down will shall measure all. I'm a Nanani Mohula. I saw select triangle 9 gone 9 this 9 hola. Hello, I saw select triangle, how did Nakua the same ball? Hello, you go 90, so you didn't cool boy 90. Hello, the Kuzi Velocity.
45.
45 is around the near I 4 radian. And hello, Twilight Yard, hold on. And then Twilight Yard, Uma Sujama, triangle AOB got. I saw that. Therefore, diameter 8 equal to pi by 4 radian. You know, Mama hold a number. You know, a short child 9 by 9. Or econ, you know, opposite by adjacent, that's what you matter. Tangent, hold on. Oh, 9 by 9 are 1. That's 8 equal to tangent inverse 1. I'm on 1 later, pi by 4 to 12, man. Yamala? I jammed the angle AO. Angle AOD shall yabi. Pi negani 2 into pi by 4 no more. You got pi by 4, you got pi by 4, pi by 2 equal to pi by 2. Yamino? That didn't go by me. Not about area or shaded region. How is shaded region here? Area of me. The area or shaded region.
How many do a square feet?
1 by 2 or square feet. So 1 by 2. I'm at 12.7. Theta
0.57.
R square 12.7 no much 162 tele hold on.
No.
Get any go near areas are unique centimeter square. Lawyer
Yeah, circle.
1 2
271.17.
and 127.2 yeah, man. Okay, yeah.